channel. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of the Walmart beauty box. Can you see the embedded Walmart like asterisk? Walmart beauty box. Today is the June. I'm thinking this is the June, or this could be the summer box. I think it's the summer box. It has seasonal summer box. You can qualify for it. It's just $5 shipping. They don't charge for the box, but they do charge you $5 for shipping. So basically the box is $5. You go to walmartbeauty.com or just go on Google Walmart beauty box and it'll bring you the link, or the link will be in the description box if you can find it, and it's easy to open the description box and get it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and if you did, thank you very much. Click the little bell, click the little like button. If you like anything in this box, click the little bell to notify you when I have a new video, and let's get started with the opening. Today seems a bit light. Can you sit this way, mommy, please? A bit light, so let's hope it has something worthful. Oh, this time it has no paper at all. Okay, last time they included a very metallic copper makeup bag, and I think this time they did as well. I'm going to open it because I already see what's on top of it. Oh my god, it's by Salon Perfect Ready Set Go Brow Kit. Oh, I'm very excited about this. Look at that. Oh, excuse me, the sun decided to go inside of its cupboard. It has like the quad for the eyebrows. It has a brow pencil with grooming pencil, and the pencil also has a sharpener, and it seems to be a white, like, I don't know, and then a little brush with a spoolie. Look at that, very nice. This is the spoolie with the little angle brush. It says this one, it says is the brow grooming pencil. It seems like it's like what do you call it, like resinous communist castor seed oil petroleum micro wax. There we go. It seems like it's a wax pencil. I don't know, it looks white, the tip, but it, like, you can see it's like white, almost like transparent kind of. It's really nice. Do like. Okay, the next thing here is a Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. I've tasted this Hello brand toothpaste before. They had it in a different kind of presentation, more like a brown box, and this is nice, but this one says Anti-Plaque and Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste, so that's nice. Then we have, my memory ran out of space, so we were talking about the shampooing stick. Look at this, is how you would use it. You would open it up and then get the stick and put it in your scalp. How interesting. Formulated with jasmine extras, refresh your scalp and oily roots on the go in seconds. Oh, okay, nice. This is like a dry shampoo stick. That's what it literally says right here, dry shampoo stick. I'm not paying attention. This is very handy, but you just like kind of go into the, like, if you have a root there or like a part, you just do the part. Very interesting. Okay, the next thing here that we have, it's another foil thing, and it's a collagen peptides. It's another foily sample. This is a purely inspired, America's #1 brand, collagen peptides, grass-fed and grass-fed. That's interesting. It's grass-fed and pasture-raised, vitally blend, but with biotin, gluten-free, dairy-free, no sugar added, no GMO, and flavored dietary supplement. Well, this was a little bit deceiving. It says grass-fed and pasture-raised. I thought it was something for the grass, and I was gonna say this is a beauty product. They put something for the grass, but it says it's a dietary supplement. That's very interesting. 18 amino acid, 18 protein, 20 collagen peptides, collagen type 1 and 3, easy to digest. I never heard about this or have seen it. Very interesting. The next thing here that Leila wants to get from me is the Purifying Black Charcoal Mask, Hydration and Moisture Premium Charcoal Mask Sheet. And it's just one face sheet. It has green tea extract, green caviar extract, 15 to 20 minutes for relaxation, bio-cotton charcoal black fiber sheet. And this is how it looks. It's just one sheet for 15 to 20 minutes, purifying black mask. Charcoal. So very nice. And then this month's or this season's baggie is kind of like it is not like, it's a canvas. Yep, it's a canvas baggie, makeup bag with like the Walmart little stars. The last one also had the little star, but it was like leather, full leather, metallic kind of thing. Yay! So we got the mask. We got the dietary supplement. We got that interesting dry shampoo jasmine scent stick. We got the coconut oil. And that last one, or the first one that I'm most interested about, is the brow kit. Very nice. I think this is what your $5 is worth right here, along with the mask. And yeah, that's all that we had in the little baggie for the Walmart box. Of course, the brow kit, it's my favorite, along with the interesting part with the dry shampoo stick, which is very interesting. And I just want to take out the stick right here, the brow, to show you that is like wax. Can you see that? It's like wax to like wax your eyebrows and put it like kind of like tuck it in there, and it has a little sharpener right about here. So that's very nice. I really like this one. I'm very interested and very excited to try the Salon Perfect Ready to Go brow kit. I have two girls and yeah, right here that just want to get the things, like if the box is for them, really. Yeah, that's all I got for the Walmart beauty box. Hopefully you like this video. Comment down below what was your favorite item if you haven't done so already. And if you did, thank you very much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, and like always, goodbye you guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Layla. Bye.